Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's just today's price action, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis over the past couple of days, including yesterday on Monday, and that is where the first update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what played out this morning. There was the gap down, so because the price opened up below 150, you'd expect $1 or 150 to act as resistance, and you can see on the bounce back right there. So you could throw this right into a textbook as far as how support levels tend to act as resistance. But as far as more so near-term levels of resistance, meaning if there's any sort of bounces to the upside, that first key level is now going to be right there around 136. So before you start talking about doing battle with 150 or anything like that, and then more so near-term, 136 is going to be that initial level right there. But given the amount of downwards momentum that was established today, and during the late afternoon, yeah, it's downwards momentum, but it's more so kind of just a slow and steady bleed. It's not like the price collapsed like it did right there or right there, but just a slow and steady bleed. So where are some next potential areas of support where maybe this bleeding will stop and the price can start to try to stabilize out? Next key level of support to watch going into Wednesday going to be right there at 124. So at this point, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but I don't think it would be shocking at all. In fact, I would expect the price to head down to 124 and possibly even down there to right around the 121 mark. So 124, 121, definitely both well within striking distance, especially given the amount of volatility this one can have with it. In the event 121 does not hold though, which is that second green line, that's where things get a little interesting, because technically speaking, after that point, the next level of support not down until right here at this previous breakout point at 109. Now, don't get me wrong. If 121 fails, am I saying that the price is going down to 109 within a matter of minutes? I guess with BYND, maybe, but no, that's not what I'm saying. My point here is that there's just quite a bit of space here between the technical levels. So this support zone right here, a lot of people are going to be watching it and wondering if it can hold, because if it doesn't, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. I would expect some pretty dynamic price movement if 121 does not quite hold up. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely still the talk of the market and a lot of volatility in it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.